This is one of the surround sound speakers that Sony used to make a few years ago. Now, if you want to see what's inside, the easiest way of taking it apart is to take the front off. Now, the front is glued on, so be very careful to take the front off. I've unfortunately done a little bit of damage to the casing, so bear that in mind. Now, the four things I'm showing you is where it was actually glued on. Now, pushing that down, if it's nice and smooth, then you know that it's not rubbing. Chances are it's working okay. To check the speaker, you can use a multimeter by simply connecting the ends of your meter to the ends of the speaker. Just set your meter to ohms and see whether there's an open circuit. Now, there are 4 screws that holds the speaker in place, and as I demonstrated before, the diaphragm, if that's rubbing, it will sound very grating when you play it. So now I'm going to put it back together. If you want to do it as a permanent repair, then you glue the front on. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my DIY videos, then please go on to my channel.